The angels speak this February, promising abundant wealth flowing into your life like water. Smile, for a significant sum of money is on its way, bringing the breakthrough you've been anticipating. Brace yourself, for it will positively transform your life on a grand scale. Type Amen to claim it, as it will hit you unexpectedly, propelling you forward like a ton of bricks. Reflect on the journey you've traversed and the substantial growth you've achieved, realizing that every setback was a pivotal lesson, guiding you towards your destiny. Type 1111. Faith, gratitude, hard work, and patience have been your companions, illuminating your path thus far and promising to guide you further. Embrace the beauty surrounding you in this moment, understanding that change is inevitable. Believe in your greatness, as your unique journey is evidence of your extraordinary nature. Type 1212. In matters of relationships, seek equality, not projects. Look for someone who cares for themselves and possesses the capacity to care for you reciprocally. Do not fall for potential. Instead, focus on someone who aligns with your level of maturity and respect. Your mindset is a powerful magnet, attracting blessings or problems depending on your thoughts. Cultivate positivity and good thoughts, knowing that your destined partner is also seeking you. Type yes to affirm. Prioritize love, laughter, personal growth, and holistic well-being. Work on aspects of yourself that cannot be taken away, such as your mindset, character, and personality. Understand that challenges are opportunities for growth and transformation. Trust the process, knowing that what is meant for you will find its way to you. Type I love God. Celebrate platonic intimacy and vulnerability, rejecting societal norms that dictate otherwise. Express love freely, offering support and care to those around you. Release the baggage you've carried for too long, embracing the liberation of the present moment. Your journey, with all its ups and downs, is a gift. Choose to see it as such and thrive. Type 555. As the seasons transition, allow your soul to effortlessly align with their natural rhythm. Just as leaves gracefully release from branches, recognize that letting go isn't a choice but a divine necessity. Embrace the transformation unfolding within you as a profound blessing. Let tonight's full moon illuminate the end of the tunnel you've been navigating, where seeds of potential you've sown are now ready to flourish. Type I am ready to shine. Seek a partner who acknowledges how their emotional journey shapes their presence in your relationship. They needn't be perfect or fully healed, but they must possess self-awareness to navigate past hurts without hindering your connection. Together, prioritize honesty and support, understanding that nurturing your bond and personal growth are paramount. Type, God, please give me wealth. Authenticity is key. Don't force positivity or productivity if it doesn't resonate with your true feelings. Tune into your soul's needs, whether it craves rest, spiritual connection, or a shift in energy. Listen attentively and honor these requests, knowing that true magic often arises from moments of introspection. Share this message to 5 people. Trust that your name is echoing in rooms you've yet to enter. Divine plans are unfolding in your life. Each day presents a choice. Dwell on anger and sorrow or embrace gratitude and joy. Surround yourself with friends who uplift and align with your spiritual journey, distancing from those who steer you astray. Type 444. You've waited long enough. Seize the life you envision by embodying the person you aspire to be. Release hesitation, overthinking, and doubt. Step boldly into the footsteps of your future self. The path ahead awaits, and it's time to walk with unwavering confidence. Please donate us $100 to support our community. Begin speaking and behaving in alignment with your future self, embodying that vision in mind, body, and spirit. Trust that as you take these steps, the remaining pieces of the puzzle will fall into place effortlessly. The universe is currently charting a new course for you. Prepare for the imminent shift. Paradoxically, life becomes more challenging when you seek the easy path. While exercise may be demanding, stagnation makes life even more arduous. Uncomfortable conversations may test you, yet avoiding all conflict proves even harder. Mastering your craft requires effort, yet the absence of skills presents an even greater challenge. Remember, ease comes with its own price. Type, "Jesus, please give me wealth." Responding to hate with hate only perpetuates negativity, adding layers of darkness to a world already devoid of stars. Love, not hate, has the power to drive out darkness and negativity. Those who attempt to undermine you or spread rumors about you are operating from a place of pain and insecurity. Their actions reflect their own struggles, not your worth. Responding with love not only uplifts them, but elevates your own spirit. Type 44444. When faced with problems, avoid overwhelming yourself by projecting too far into the future. Focus on the present moment, addressing one challenge at a time while maintaining perspective. Understand that struggles are temporary and that progress takes time. Although the road ahead may seem daunting, recognize how far you've already come. In life's challenges, you don't become weaker, you grow stronger. Keep evolving and never cease to pray for others or nurture a compassionate heart. Type 2222. When confronted with the darkness of your own thoughts or the despair of a situation, envision it as entering a dimly lit room. Initially, clarity may elude you, but with time, your vision will adjust, revealing the truth of the situation. Trust in the gradual unveiling of insight and remain steadfast in your journey toward growth and enlightenment. Click the link in comments to attract wealth into your life. As you begin to adapt, clarity will gradually dawn upon you, illuminating your path. Despite any current challenges, rest assured that clarity is on its way, guiding you towards the light. The daily burdens of life can drain our energy and dampen our spirits, particularly when we feel disconnected from our true power. In moments of fatigue and stress, it's easy to lose sight of our inner wisdom, purpose, and joy. However, by stepping back and reconnecting with the energy within, you can rediscover your strength and purpose. Type 1111. There will be times of waiting, praying, frustration, and doubt, but remain patient and steadfast. In due time, unexpected blessings will manifest. Maintain unwavering faith and trust in divine timing. Reframe your perspective by affirming ease and abundance, signaling to the universe your readiness to receive blessings. Type, "I love Jesus." Each night, express gratitude for the blessings of the day, regardless of its challenges. Cultivate a positive relationship with money by visualizing abundance and feeling its presence in your life. When confronted with rudeness, recognize that it often stems from the other person's unresolved issues rather than any fault of your own. Center yourself in inner peace, allowing your light to illuminate the darkness. Type yes to affirm. Understand that those who dislike you may be projecting their own insecurities and fears onto you. Rise above negativity and maintain compassion for those who struggle to confront their inner demons. If this message resonates with you, remember that life is worth living, and your kindness and love are invaluable. Embrace your journey with courage and grace, knowing that you are worthy of all the blessings that await you. Type 1212. Don't let the cruelty of others blind you to the possibilities beyond your recent experiences. Stay resilient and witness the beauty that life has yet to unveil. If something in your life brings pain and heartache, embrace acceptance and take action where you can, while acknowledging what is beyond your control. You are greater than your mistakes and stronger than your past, including any harm inflicted upon you. Repeat this affirmation. I am bigger than my past, greater than my present, and worthy of my future. When a loved one passes, unresolved conversations may weigh heavy with regret. Know that it's never too late to express your feelings. Speak your truths aloud. They can still hear you. In fact, they're closer to you now, unbound by physical limitations or ego. Healing is within reach. Claim it with gratitude. Type 3333. Understand the distinction between personality and attitude. While personality is intrinsic, attitude is responsive to external factors. Reflect on past struggles overcome and victories achieved. Recognize patterns and trust your intuition, especially with those resistant to change. Don't postpone life waiting for others. Embark on solo adventures, nourish yourself, and prioritize self-love. Feeling empty often stems from anchoring oneself in external circumstances or others' opinions. True fulfillment comes from within. Nurture your inner being with love, patience, and self-care. As you reconnect with yourself, you'll rediscover the abundance of your being. Consider supporting us financially through a donation or subscribing to our YouTube channel. Type Amen to affirm your commitment to self-discovery and growth.